The Edgemont community has valued both STEM and the arts for a long time. And so we've been taking that feedback from them and putting that into practice in our school. And what the STEM designation process has done for us has allowed us to give more intentionality to that.
The rubric is so specific that we can really see, oh yes, we're doing great in this area. Oh, we need some work in this area. And that was a very thoughtful process we went through with our leadership team and with a STEM committee that we had. We really wanted to expand their view of what the STEM field is and all the different areas that they can have interest in and eventually maybe just make a career choice based on that.
We've really approached the integration process and all of the training for about the last 8 or 9 years. We've collaborated with people who are specialists in engineering and in integration. We've collaborated with music teachers, art teachers, drama. Literacy is at the heart of it, really, because we have to have them literate in all these areas, right? And that helps us understand in every area.
We see students be able to not give up as easy when they come across something hard. We talk about growth mindset a lot also here at our school.
I've seen through the years those moments when the kids, because they've learned a word, a vocabulary word in science, integrating with math, light, shadow, whatever it is, that they notice that word when they're going to read in a new story. That's that word, we used that, remember that was what we did with the flashlight, opaque. Words like that carry over and make them feel so important, but they're making these connections. We don't live in an isolated world. Everything that we learn really is connected.
If you come in the spring and you see the integration with both the STEM and the arts that our students have been able to put into practice with the things they've been learning all year in their classrooms, it's amazing. To me, it's like a next level.
To be a part of our school that is designated as a STEM school, to me, that's a privilege. That's a place I want to be. And that's a place that I can proudly share with the community that these are the great things we're doing. And this is all happening in public education. And I'm really grateful for that. It's just such an exciting, dynamic time and place to be.